Turkey serves a strategically important role as gatekeeper to the Black Sea, and as the crisis plays out in Crimea, eyes are turning to Ankara to see what the country will do about the Russian invasion of Ukrainian territory. Situated between the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, Turkey's Dardanelles and Bosphorus Straits are of strategic importance to Russia and other world powers. Rules governing the passage of warships are laid out in the Montreux Convention in 1936. Dolunay Ozbek, assistant professor of law at Bilgi University in Istanbul, said the convention is designed to protect Turkey's neutrality.
During times of war, when Turkey is belligerent, passage is left to the discretion of Turkey. If Turkey stays neutral, then belligerent vessels may not pass, whereas other neutral vessels still retain the freedom of passage as it is during times of peace.
Naval traffic along the straits has been increasing following the escalating tension between Ukraine and Russia on the Crimean Peninsula, which is located on the Black Sea. Ozbek went on to explain that Turkey's membership of NATO doesn't mean it will be involved in any conflict if Russia were to attack Ukraine.
NATO is a organization of mutual self-defense. Therefore, there would have to be an attack on one of NATO member states. Ukraine is not a member state. Although Ukraine and NATO does have special relationship under certain treaties, it still is not a member. Therefore, a possible attack, I should say, by Russia on Ukraine would not really invoke self-defense provisions of the NATO.
There has been increasing speculation, however, that Turkey could play a larger role in the conflict. Crimean Tatars, who make up about 15% of Crimea's population, have strong ethnic and religious links to Turkey. They were forcefully expelled from Crimea during the rule of Joseph Stalin, and since returning have become vocal supporters of Crimea remaining under Ukrainian control.